Many of you are already very worried. I'm already getting messages, comments. When is the reprinting happening? Of course, as at the time of making this video, we are just about few days to the commencement of the exam, right? And I've received a lot of messages about how will the exam happen. I've not gotten my sleep, as if you are having a unique challenge. I am giving you this video to douse the pressure you are onto right now. So just calm down as I tell you everything you need to know, because on this channel we have been following up all the updates, everything happening concerning the JAMB 2025 reprinting of your sleep. Of course, you know, let me show you this before I even tell you what is happening. You know that without your sleep, you will not be able to enter the hall, right? Without your exam sleep, that is why it's so important. You will not even know the date for your own exam. You know, exam starts on 25th, right? But then not everybody will write on 25th. Some will write 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, and all the rest, okay, until even the next month. So it is that sleep that tells you the particular date JAMB gave you, and the particular venue, and the particular exam time you will be writing. Then all other instructions you need. Now the question is, how do you reprint and when do you start reprinting? Earlier than now, I had made a video telling you that JAMB reprinting was supposed to start by 17th, which is 17th of this month. Then that is 17th of April. Then I made another video when JAMB rescheduled to 20th. That is 5 days before the real JAMB starts. Today that I'm making this video, the reprinting, which is 17th, I'm making this video on 17th of April. The reprinting has not started as I am making this video right now. JAMB reprinting is yet to start. So I need you to calm down. There is nothing wrong with your system. There's nothing wrong with your registration. There's nothing wrong with your reg number, your email address, and all the rest. Everything is in order. It's still general. As the 2024 UTME draws close, candidates are eagerly waiting for the official commencement of JAMB sleep reprinting. Here is everything you need to know. Okay, pay attention. As of now, I'm making this video. The JAMB reprinting portal is yet to be activated for 2025 UTME candidates. I'm telling you this so that all this panic I'm seeing everywhere should stop, please. Everybody's panicking. I see people calling Lagos, Port Harcourt, Enugu, everywhere, panicking that the system, JAMB has not updated it on their side. So even when you check, there is no way you will be able to get yours. Candidates are still unable to print the exam slip containing the exam date, time, and venue. So I am telling you, it is not unique to you. That is why I would even want you to, while you are waiting, let us focus on reading and preparing. Once in a while, maybe after a few days, you can come, after a few hours, you can say come online, get the update, see if it is working out. But then, calm down. Don't be distracted. The thing that should be ringing on your head now is past question syllabus. Solving your JAMB past question, reading according to syllabus, covering your syllabus and all the rest. And if you have not gotten past question, you can ask me. I will give you all the past question to your first subject. If you have not gotten JAMB syllabus, I will give you free of charge. I can send them to you if you become a member of our channel, right? We don't have time. Let that one be what is ringing in your head now while we wait for JAMB to do their thing and open the channel. But then there will be a rush once the portal is opened. So get the information. Based on JAMB past ways and JAMB past pattern, reprinting is expected to begin any moment from now. It could begin any moment from now, although we're expecting it to begin officially 3 days from now, that is 20th of April. Candidates are strongly advised to remain calm and prepared, as JAMB usually open the portal a few days before the exam date. about 5 days or 6 days before the exam day. The important thing is just calm down. Wait, I will be the first to give you the update when the reprinting starts. Okay, I know you want to know the date for your exam, the time for your exam, and all the rest, but just calm down. Once they open the portal, candidates will be able to reprint by visiting. Now, pay attention. Let me even give you the sites to visit. I've done a more comprehensive video. I've done a very comprehensive video. I will also attach it at the end of this video for you on all the steps, both how you can print the JAMB slip on your own and how you can print it if you want to go to a cyber cafe and pay money. Okay, there is a way you can print on your own. There is also a way you can go to cyber cafe and pay money. If you print on your own, you don't have to pay money. If you go to a cyber cafe, you pay money. Now, look at the portal, official portal, HTTP. Look at this link. If you want me to send you this link, you let me know later. HTTPS portal.jamb.gov.ng. Somebody write it down in the comment section. I want somebody to type it down in the comment section. Then look at this one. If you want to now enter into the reprinting direct, you just type HTTPS. You can see it on the screen. //slipsprinting.jamb.gov.ng/print examination slip. I want you to type it down in the comment section also. This is the website you need. Okay, now pay attention. But just clicking on that will not give you your slip. There are things you need to supply. Once you click on it, the system will ask you for your reg number, your JAMB reg number, your email address, or your phone number. Just get these things ready because you won't be able to print without it. Why is this printing very important? One, the reprinting exam slip will show you your UTME exam date, your UTME exam time, your CBT exam address, that is computer-based exam address. Remember, I said earlier that you will not be able to write JAMB. You will not be able to enter the JAMB hall with any past question. You will not be able to enter the JAMB hall with any calculator, any phone. The calculator JAMB will give you will not be a scientific calculator. I've done a video on that. If you need me to give it to you, let me know. Okay, so just keep checking the reprinting portal regularly. Once in two hours you can check. Prepare your registration details. Stay updated. So just stay glued on our channel, Noble Tutorials. You need me to give you past question, let me know. By the way, I have done several videos on this exam. I've done quite a lot of expo question videos, expected questions on use of English, chemistry, physics, mathematics, literature, economics, biology, all of your subjects. If you want me to give you access to all the videos we've done on your subjects, let me know so that you can lock yourself down with your pen and paper and begin to study. That is the paramount thing. While we wait for you to reprint, remember to focus. Don't be distracted. Focus on reading, focus on past question, focus on the syllabus. If you need them, let me know. And the videos I've done, if you want them, I could give them to you. I'm leaving a very important video on the steps to reprint the JAMB slip on the screen. Tap on it now and watch.